Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry. No, come. Look at where we're at. Hello. YouTube space. Guys, I'm at YouTube space. Don't mind my voice, but look. Let me show you my face. Right there. And right there. Crazy, look. Oh my gosh, there's like a... Yeah, I know, crazy, yeah.
Which is a hashtag, but also hashtag final 15. So that kind of narrows it to today's event as well.
Trouble. So they showed us their studios where creators can come if they've hit 10k subscribers. We had a workshop on cameras, audio and lighting, and we also got to play around with it too. Greasy.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Does it look nice? Yeah, cool. Is it rolling?
Yeah, it was like
Oh, sorry. There's green.
There's green.
This side, this side.
There's green, there's black,
There's green.
there's white.
There's black. There's white. And here's us.
And Kurt.
And cut. How do you even know this like?
We are also the finalists for the Vlogstar Challenge 2019.
From 1500 to 15.
That is incredible.
One,
you know? One,
two. And there's more
There's
people
only
behind this
13
camera.
other people, you know. So, including the person that's filming. So, shout out to you as well. So, it's just going great today.
I know. Very grateful.
Very grateful. So, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode. We'll be back.
Episode
with
3
the
coming
next.
soon.
Boom.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and tell us what you want to see down in the comments below. Peace.
Love.
Guess where we are at?
Bro, we are in YouTube space.
Oh my
Can you
god.
imagine?
How are we here? How did we actually get here?
I got
Crazy.
whistle. A power cut in YouTube.
Literally.
That's amazing.
But we are finished.
Yes, we are. Hey guys, I'm Gian. I'm 23 and I'm from London. Right now, I'm at YouTube space because I am one of 15 of the grand finalists for the Vlogstar Challenge. I'm so excited for this opportunity and I can't wait to see the rest of you guys in the grand final in September. My videos are motivational, empowering, and I like to incorporate research so you guys can understand our human behavior in terms of elevating each other so we can be the best version of ourselves. Can't wait to see you guys.